guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creatives with freelancing, design and tech. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove a background from an image using Canva. Absolutely no Photoshop needed here. Before we dive into the tutorial, I just want to let you know that if there's any links or resources or anything like that, I'll put them in the comments section below of the video. And just a heads up with this one, you will need a Canva Pro subscription because Canva are a little bit too clever and they've made this feature part of that Pro subscription. So make sure you click on the link, you can get a free trial, or if you've already got a Pro subscription, let's go. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff because that helps me to keep making great content for you guys. Right, so let's jump on over to the computer and get this tutorial started. Right, so I'm here in my Canva account, so all you're going to do is come over to create a design. I'm just going to create an Instagram post. It doesn't really matter what size we're creating because we're just removing the background from an image. I've already got an image that I want to use, so I'm just going to drag and drop it into here. So we've uploaded the image and I'm just going to pop it onto here, and I'll just make it a little bit bigger so you can see. So you're going to want to come to Edit Image, Background Remover. Again, this is you only have this option if you've got a pro account or if you're on a trial, I believe. So Canva are pretty clever with that. But you can see that with one click, it removes the background so well. There are two other options here that you've got, and this is a brush if you want to get a little bit more detailed. So I'm just going to zoom in, and you can see it's done a really good job, but maybe I don't want to show this green part that's in her hair. So I'm going to go to Edit Image again, the background remover. Okay, so let's grab this brush. So I'm going to go erase, and you can change the size of it just here. So I'm just going to make it a bit smaller because I like to get in quite a lot of detail, and you can see that, yeah, it does a really good job. Let's make it really small because I want to get like right in these little bits here because I just do not want to see this weird little green bit. And it might make a little bit more sense to kind of shade it so it looks like it's coming out of her head. So you can see that you've got the erase tool, and then if I made a mistake, I can come to restore and I could restore the section there. So that's pretty cool, but let's get rid of it because again, I don't really want to show it. It's a really cool tool to use, and it's super fast. The one thing I do want to say though is that if you have a really blurry, low quality image, do not expect the background remover tool to be able to do something amazing with it. It will do its best, but it's not going to do something great. So try and use high quality images. Even if you're using Photoshop, it would be exactly the same. But that's how you remove a background from an image with Canva. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. Again, make sure you like and subscribe to support my channel so I can keep making great content for you guys. And if you've got any comments or questions or anything like that, just put them in the, below the video and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Guys, so if you enjoyed my content today, please like the video, make sure you subscribe, even leave a comment below to let me know that you are loving this content so I can create more for you.